There are no limits. There are no boundaries. In your presence, Lord, we break every wall. We lift our voices to the sky. No chains can hold us when you're not. Every barrier falls away in the power of your name. What man has said cannot be done.